Welcome friends, in this one let's take a look at finding the derivative of the following here. So the derivative with respect to x of x plus, and this is the square root of x. So first what you want to do is rewrite this. So it's going to be the derivative with respect to x of x to the positive first plus x raised to the 1/2. And then from here I recognize I can use the power rule. So bring the 1 down, it's going to be x raised to the 1 minus 1. Plus bring the 1/2 down, so 1/2 down, and then x raised to the 1/2 minus 1 this way. Simplify the exponents a little bit. So where it says 1 minus 1 on the x, that would be 1, basically x raised to the 0, plus, and the next one here would be 1/2, and this would be now x raised to the negative 1/2. Continue. 1 times x to the 0 is 1, so this is just 1 at the end there for that one. For the next one would be plus, and now this would be 1 over 2 times x raised to the positive 1/2, the positive 1/2 now being in the bottom. Last, we write this in square root notation, so it becomes therefore 1 plus, and then 1 over 2, and then here's the square root of x this way. And this is the answer. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.